Time management sounds like something your productivity-obsessed cousin talks about while drinking black coffee and reading self-help books at 6 a.m. But listen up, this isn't that. If your life feels like a browser with 23 tabs open and 3 of them are frozen, this is for you. Let's be real. It's not that we don't have time. It's that we spend it like Monopoly money. Randomly, recklessly, mostly on TikTok and overthinking. And suddenly it's 9 p.m. and you've accomplished what? Adding 3 things to your Amazon cart and deleting them again. Here's the move: time blocking. Chop your day into chunks, like mini appointments with yourself. 10 to 12 equals grind. 12-1 equals lunch and mental reset. 1 to 3 equals whatever you need. It's like turning your to-do list into a playlist. Your brain loves rhythm. If it takes less than 2 minutes, just do it. Now. Don't overthink it. Don't add it to a list. Just do it. Small wins snowball. You feel productive. Your brain's like, hey, we're actually doing things. Pomodoro method. Fancy name. Simple concept. 25 minutes of focus. 5-minute break. Repeat. After 4 rounds, take a longer break, like a snack and scroll sesh. It works because it gives you permission to rest without guilt. And who doesn't love a guilt-free break? Turn your routine into a vibe. Light a candle. Play chill beats. Use a cute planner or Notion setup. Make it aesthetic. When it looks good, it feels good. When it feels good, you'll actually do it. Look, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to be intentional. Time management isn't about doing more. It's about doing what matters without losing your mind. Be the main character of your schedule, not the background extra in your own story. If this helped, like the video, sub for more real-life hacks, and send this to your friend who's always 5 minutes away, but shows up 40 minutes late.